Good morning everyone, I am Aditya and welcome back to the channel. Currently I am in Bhuj and we will be going to Kutch after breakfast. Sorry for that. It is around 8:30 AM and so hot right now. I am sure in Kutch it will be much more hot. Today's plan is we will be going to a place called Kalo Dangar, which is the highest point in the Kutch region. So if you go on the top of that Kalo Dangar, which is a small mountain, so you can see the whole salt marsh of Kutch. First we'll be going there and then we'll be going to the main location, which is the Great Run of Kutch. We'll have some breakfast and then I think around 9:15 or 9:30 we'll leave for Kutch. We reached Kalo Dangar, which is basically meaning Black Hills. This is the highest point in this Kutch region, which is around 450 meters above sea level. So only from here you can get the landscape view of the Great Run. So there is also Dattatreya temple, which is 400 years old, and nearby only there is Magnetic Hill also. We just saw the Dattatreya temple. Now we are going to the viewpoint. So once you park your car, as soon as you climb a bit, it's not too much, like maybe a minute or something, you will find the Dattatreya temple, and you will even find a place where the Dattatreya Bhagwan had meditated. Now we are going to the viewpoint. So once you visit the Dattatreya temple, you need to climb a few stairs. I mean, you need to get down and then you need to climb few stairs to get to the viewpoint. One after another point we are searching and going because this place is absolutely magnificent. So currently this is another viewpoint. That is the shelter where many people are there and you can put in local dresses and you can try that. So after that we went straight. Now we are coming in another way to go to the end there. From here you can clearly see the salt marsh. There are a lot of water now because of the rainfall. Otherwise it will be full white. That's why it's called white desert. So you can see it there. So it is only salt there, so it is white desert. But due to heavy rainfall in past couple of weeks, there is water here. We will be going there as well after our lunch in the resort. But the views from here are very good because this is the only place from where you can get a landscape view. Finally we came to all the viewpoints. Now we will go back to the top. I mean top in the sense where the actual viewpoint is. There you can actually wear local dress, local Kutchi dress, and you can take photos. Now that we finished this Kalo Dangar, now we will go to our resort, have lunch, and then maybe take a bit rest, and we'll ask the manager what is the best time to go to the White Run, maybe during the sunset time. So we'll get that information and then we will go to the White Run desert. So we reached the resort around 1:30. We left Bhuj at 9:45. So we went to Kalo Dangar and then we came here. Roads are awesome. You can say there was almost nil traffic. It was very less, and roads, everything is paved road and it was in fantastic condition. So we came to resort and now we'll have some lunch. Then we'll ask our manager what is the best time to visit the White Desert. We want to even cover sunset. So this is the cottage. Like that there are multiple cottages, and if you go in, it is very simple actually. There are 3 beds, single bed and double bed, and the designs are good. It looks, you know, like a village kind of a style, and it smells funny because of the material they have used to build this cottage. So this is it, and that is the bathroom. It looks very nice, you know, authentic village style. Good afternoon everyone. So it's around 4:15. We have ordered tea, and after having tea we leave to the White Desert. We slept for 1 hour, so we are pretty fresh. We don't have any mobile network or internet here, so I don't know how much is the temperature, but it's super hot. So yeah, so we'll go to the White Desert and then we'll see you. We reached the White Desert, but there is actually water. So if you had come during November or December, we could actually see the White Desert, and because of the rainfall the region is fully flooded. I mean, this is normal, this happens every year. So because of the rainfall everything is flooded, and hence we cannot see the White Desert. So before coming here, like about 2 or 3 kilometers near the tent city, there was a army personnel who were who were checking our ID cards, and he was asking from where we came to note down the details. So that was the only check which was performed. We even paid around 500 rupees for the permit, but the permit was not checked anywhere. So I'll try to find information if the permit is really needed, or else you can save around 500 rupees. That is the viewpoint where you can climb to the top and get some photograph of the Run of Kutch. So we'll go there. What happens is, during the monsoon the whole region gets flooded, and after the monsoon is over you will find the White Desert. So the best time to visit is obviously during December, where actually from November 1st only the Run Utsav starts. And we just saw they are constructing a new parking area also near the tent city, so that will be the best time to visit here. This is the greater part of Run of Kutch, which extends from east to west. At the north it is the Thar Desert. Most of the area of Run of Kutch is in Gujarat, but some part of Run is also in Sindh province of Pakistan, and around 75% of the area is protected. This is the view which we get from the top. I think you can see there's not much water here, but that is the border. For example, after that only the desert starts. So all these are flooded waters. I'm just trying to imagine in November or December how white the whole area will be. Yeah, so if you're coming here, definitely try to come here during December. We will be getting a very good sunset here. I'll try to set up the camera for the time lapse. I think I will plan for another trip to Run, because we wanted to see the White Desert. Maybe we got our timing off, but yeah, anyway, this is also a good site, but the main attraction here is the White Desert. So I think we'll plan for another trip to come. I would like to mention another point. So we actually missed another important location, so we made a mistake while planning. So what we did was we booked our flights, then when we were searching for hotels to book, we came across this place called Dholavira. What you could do is you could take another day and plan your trip so that you include that region as well. It is a very important place in terms of historical significance. It is even protected by UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Basically you will find ruins of the ancient Harappan civilization there, and there are multiple locations like that in that Dholavira region. So I would definitely recommend you guys to go and take another day extra and go to that region and explore it. 6:30 p.m. and the sun has set, but you can see the vibrant colors on the other side of Waterwell. Don't feel like leaving this place because it is really peaceful out here. We'll leave in another 5 to 10 minutes. After that, we'll just go to resort and have some food. So tomorrow our plan is we'll be leaving from Kutch to Jamnagar, and in Jamnagar there is a Bala Hanuman temple. We'll visit there. That's it for now. So thank you for watching, and if you like the video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and if you don't like something, please leave a comment about what you don't like about it. So yeah, thank you for watching and bye bye.